Welcome back to the exponential series. So let's see the question that we have today. It is 3 power 2x equals 12. So it is also a very basic one. Okay, so how we are going to do this? Let's see. This 2 is in multiplication form. So I think we can divide both sides by 2. Then what we will get here is it's about 2x equals to 12 divided by 2 will be 6. Now again, here it is, as I mentioned earlier in our previous video, if there is 3, I will try to take a log with base 3 because it will be easier for me to calculate, right? Okay, so taking log of base 3 on both sides, we get 2x equals to log with base 3, and here remains the 3 of the question, this base. Sorry, my bad. 2x log with base 3 of 3 equals log of 3 of 6, right? Now again, this will get converted into 1. So what we have is 2x equals to log 3 of 6. If you want to find the value of x, that means you have to isolate this 2x, isolate this x. So for that, I have to divide both sides by 2. Then I will get log 3 of 6 divided by 2. And x equals to, if you try to convert this, what you will get log of 6 divided by log of 3 whole by 2. If you do the math, if you use the calculator now, the value that you will be getting will be nearly equal to let me do the calculator as well. Okay, log of 6 divided by log of 3, right? Log of 3 equals to 1.63, 1.6309, and so on. I'm eliminating the remaining decimals. Divided by 2. When you divide it by 2, the value that you will be getting is nearly equivalent to 0.815. Okay, so this is the answer. This is the value of x. But if I slightly change the question, what will happen? If I change the question like this, let me use this one, or say let me drag this to the right hand side so that it will be easier. I will get the more space. Now see, if the question was of this pattern, 3 power 2x minus 5 is equals to 12, then what? Then our answer would be, simply just all entire process will be same. Dividing by 2 will remain same. 3 power 2x minus 5 equals, it will remain same. Taking the log of 3 will also remain same. Log with base 3, right? Log with base 3 and 3, this 2x minus 5 will come forward like this, and log of base of 3 is equals to log 3 of 6. Now see, it will get converted to 1 as usual, so it's equals to log 3 of 6. Now 2x is equals to log 3 of 6 plus 5. If I take that 5 to the right hand side, again 2x is equals to log 3 of 6 means what? Log of 6 divided by log of 3 plus 5. Now I have already calculated the value of log 6 by log 3, right, which is equivalent to 1.6309. So I will directly use that. 1.6309 plus 5 is equals to 2x, or x is equals to, if I do this, I will get 6.309 and so on, divided by 2 is equals to divided by, if I do this, 6.309 divided by 2, I'll get 3.1545, which is nearly equivalent to this. Okay, so the value of x should be this. This is how small differences we can do with the questions. You don't have to get scared with a little bit of changes in the questions as well. Okay, so I think in this video we will do this much. Have a good day.